If you're using HubSpot to manage your sales pipeline, knowing how to export your deals can be a real game changer. Maybe you need to share data with your team, analyze trends in Excel, or just make a backup for safekeeping. Whatever your reason, today I'll walk you step by step through the process of exporting deals from HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to confidently create a detailed export file from your deal board, tailored to your specific needs. All right, let's jump right in. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, look for the menu that says CRM. Click on that. This is your gateway to all things customer management. Now, within the CRM section, find and click on Deals. This is where your sales opportunities are tracked, and you'll see them organized neatly either in a board view or as a list. Now, here's a little tip. Make sure you're on the view that actually shows the deals you want to export. If you need a specific filter, maybe deals assigned to a particular rep, or those in a certain stage, go ahead and set that up now. That way, your export will be as relevant and focused as possible. Next, we want to find the board options. Usually, this looks like a small gear icon or a drop-down menu on the top right corner of your deals board. Click that and you'll see a bunch of options related to how your deals are displayed and managed. What we're looking for is the Export View option. Go ahead and select that. Now, things get a little more detailed. This is where you prepare your export file. I encourage you to take your time here because customizing these settings can make your exported data much more useful. First, you'll see an option to export one row in one file. This basically means that each deal in your board will appear as one row in your final file. If you've ever worked with spreadsheets, this format is perfect for sorting, filtering, or running calculations later. You'll also be prompted to name your export file. By default, it might suggest all deals, but you can name it anything you like, perhaps Q2 Sales Export, or something descriptive that makes sense for your team's workflow. Next, you'll choose your file format. I highly recommend sticking with CSV, separated values. CSV files are super flexible. You can open them in Excel, Google Sheets, or even upload them to other CRM tools if needed. CSV format preserves your data in a simple, universal way. You'll also be asked to set the language for your column headers. English is the default, and unless you work with an international team that prefers another language, it's best to stick with English here for clarity and compatibility. Now let's talk about data selection. You can decide which properties from your HubSpot view are included in the export. This includes things like deal amount, close date, owner, and any custom fields you've added. Plus, you can include associations. Those are connections to contacts, companies, or tickets related to each deal. For each association, HubSpot will give you up to 1,000 associated records per row, including their record name and unique ID. That's especially handy for reporting and for cross-referencing other data sources. If you're unsure whether you need all those details, don't worry. You can always refine your selection next time. For now, including both properties and associations gives you the most complete snapshot of your deals without losing important connections. Once you've made your selections and double-checked the settings, you're ready for the final step. Simply click Export. Depending on the size of your data, this process might take a few moments, so you can grab a coffee or review your notes. When the file is ready, HubSpot will let you download it straight from the browser or email you a link. And that's it. You've just exported your deals from HubSpot, ready to be crunched, shared, or archived. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you're using your exports. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching.